Okay. See, you are here.
Hello, my name's Rosemary and I'm an architecture student, and I'm going to draw a box with TurboCAD.
Say the dimensions.
The dimensions of the box are going to be it's going to be width 70, length 30 and height 50 millimeters.
Talk about the inspector bar.
These dimensions appear in the inspector bar down the bottom left.
Tap key.
Tap.
Tap key.
Right.
Where is it, the tap? Where are you? The tap. Yes. So
Yep.
first you type 70, you just talk.
First you type 70
Unlock it.
under the width
Unlock it.
and lock it. Then you type 30 under length and lock it. And then you type 50 under height and lock it.
These ones are not locked. Locking.
Lock.
Yellow means not locked.
Blue means locked.
Yes. Yellow means it changes.
Yellow means
Is it
unlocked.
correct now?
Mhm.
Width is 70.
Down in the not the inspector bar.
No, what is the status bar says?
The status bar says specify the first vertex of the object base. So you get the mouse and then you
Click anywhere.
click
And the
and
box comes.
the box appears.
Yeah, and then how do you delete this to let other people
To delete this, you go to edit,
edit?
clear, all.
Okay. How did you talk to my lecturer? How did you find from the 26th of May this training? Tell your story. What did you do? What did you learn, and what was your activities? What was your activities since the 26th of May?
On the 26th of May, we had TurboCAD lessons in
On the 11th, we had it. But through email. What did you learn through email? Emailing.
emailing.
When I send you email, what did you do?
We watched the
Webinars?
webinars. We watched the webinars, and
Was the webinars good? Did you learn anything from webinars?
the webinars I learnt paper space and model space.
Not my video, the videos that are webinars for the YouTube.
Yeah, so I learnt how to extrude and how to make shapes, 3D shapes, like spheres
Lines,
and cones and polylines, circles.
Okay, you are happy with your learning?
Yeah, I'm happy
Have
with
you-
I'm happy with my learning.
Was there any problem issue because of your special needs?
No
How
problems.
did you find the help of the people here?
Yeah, everybody was very helpful and friendly, and they helped me out in getting around the house, and we had instructions on how to use the fire blanket, and we knew where the toilets were, the safety exits, the front door, the back door.
Did you feel fainting in this house?
Fainting? No.
Everything was good? Healthy?
Yeah, everything was good. Yep.
Good. Thank you very much, Rosemary, for attending our training session.
Yeah.
We hope that we see you again.
Okay.
Thank you. So can you please, children, help him? This one. So you can give him this chair. This chair.
Yeah.
That is his chair. That chair. Can you bring your chair? Now it is Elton. No, we don't stop the video. We just come here continuously. Elton, can you please sit down here? Exactly the same. What was your object? What was the object that you had to draw? Cone. Can you please teach Reza? Can you, Reza, stand up there? Teach Reza how to draw a coin. And hold this one. Hold this one. And adjust this as a microphone. Is it right? Is it good?
Yep.
Good? Okay. Can you just show and talk? When you press any icon, you have to talk.
Yep.
What should I do? You are going to draw. What are you going to draw?
Today I'm going to draw a cone,
A cone is a 3D.
3D object.
What is the first step?
So the first step is you go into draw,
Draw
3D object,
3D object.
and then to 3D primitives.
Can you speak louder?
Under 3D primitives, choose the cone option,
Cone option.
and then in the bottom there's the inspector bar.
Inspector bar. What does it say? What do you want to write?
Okay, so for the radius,
What was your radius? What is the best radius?
probably
Make it 50.
50. Okay, so we'll make the radius
50 millimeter.
50 millimeters,
Yeah. And then
and then for the diameter it would be
no, you have to
100.
lock it.
Okay,
It's in yellow. Lock it.
so then lock the
What is the diameter? You don't need to write it
diameter,
because radius or diameter. What else?
and then the circumference.
No, you don't need.
Lock that.
No, don't lock it.
No?
Because you don't know what they have written. Diameter, don't lock it.
Okay,
Only the
so
because with one radius you can draw a circle. It's no option, not two options. You don't need two information.
okay,
With just one circle you can draw. Okay, so only the
then-
ones that you really needed.
Yep.
What else? Height.
so then height. So
Height of the cone is 70.
okay, so type in
70 is the height
70
of the cone. Yes.
the height and lock it in.
Lock it in. Only two things is locked.
Yep. So we've got the radius and the height locked
Radius, the height, and then you click.
in, and then click anywhere,
And then
and then
do you have to
set a point for the radius of the object space. So
what?
click again.
What is it? What is it?
Set a point for the radius space. The base of the radius. So you have to click it again to
Click the circle.
yeah. So
Just the circle.
first you click for the circle, and then you have to click again to set the radius, and then it creates the cone. So first you define the object
can you
height
go
by
to
clicking.
edit? Can you go to edit?
Edit.
Clear.
Clear.
Clear all. What?
He hasn't finished the whole thing yet.
No, it's finished.
Escape, escape, escape.
Escape. Go to edit. Clear. Clear. Okay.
Okay.
Do it again. What do? You imagine that is your options. You
Set
have
a
already
point.
locked everything. What does it say?
Set a point for
For what?
the center of the object space.
Okay, center of the object.
Okay.
And then
And then set a point for the radius of the object space.
where is the
So-
radius? To the circumference.
And then define the object height by clicking or typing in the height field.
It's written. You have already written.
Yeah.
You have already written.
Sorry?
That is when you did not
Lock it.
lock it because you have already locked it.
Okay.
Okay, now wait, you see? I hold this one mouse with it
Mhm.
and see what happens. Look, this is it.
Yep.
Okay, can you go to the view?
If you
Can you go to the display? Display. And can you go to the no, not display. Just wait. There is another one. Visual styles. Go to the view and visual style.
Yep.
Choose hidden line. What happened?
No, that's
Rotate it. Do you know how to rotate?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So, what happened? The other part of the circle that was hidden was showing. It's now removed.
Yep.
Okay. How do you render it?
render it.
Go to modify, I think. But let me see the. No, I don't think. Go to modify and see if the rendering is there. Is render there?
Mm.
Options. Render. Render. Let me see. Render scene. No, just leave it. Material. Go to material and see what happens. Material. Load material. And it's not there. Okay. Just how do you clear everything for the next person?
Go to
Edit.
edit, clear,
You should escape
so-
first.
Escape.
escape,
You should escape. And then edit.
edit.
Clear.
No.
No, but that doesn't work.
No, double escape it again. Another one.
Edit. Sometimes works, sometimes doesn't.
So push the tab. Now escape. Doesn't
No.
work?
Let me
No.
see. It doesn't matter. But we can always do this. Select,
Yes.
Mm.
right?
Yep.
Yes.
Wait. Yep.
You do it with a window. Okay, now Elton,
Yep.
could you please talk to Miss Marianne Fox,
Mhm.
Mrs. Marianne Fox, and talk about from the 25th of May that I started the writing email to you. How did you find out the learning, and what did you do after you received your first email? What have you done for your learning
So I watched the webinars on YouTube,
at home? And
and
which ones?
there were ones that were talking about the snaps and all the different types of lines and shapes.
Shapes, and then
Yep.
did you try to
And
draw something?
Yep.
Could you do it?
Mhm.
And then
So
you came here, but you didn't stay because 2 hours was finished.
yeah,
You watched
and I had
some
another
video,
appointment
and
on.
then you had to go.
Yep.
But how did you find the lesson today?
Was
Was it useful?
I found lots of interesting
Revolve on this.
things, and
What is the difference between AutoCAD that you learned at university with this software?
so
What was the difficulties you faced with AutoCAD?
AutoCAD. So with AutoCAD, they were mainly teaching us like the 2D drawing things, and the difficulties was trying to work out the different line types, and
It was difficult when you were doing.
yeah,
Do you
because
have
it
this
was
difficulty with this software?
not as much.
Why? Because the training is
So
good? Does
yeah.
it have the better user guide?
yeah,
User guide is good?
it's kind of similar to AutoCAD, except I don't think AutoCAD had the 3D option.
It's
I'm
hard.
not sure.
Hard to
Yeah.
learn.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are happy with your training now?
Yep.
Okay.
Learned lots of things, and
Thank you very much.
it's good.
Now
Thank
give the headset to Reza. Reza, could you please come and present yourself for the lesson that you have? And we will give you a quiz now. Sit on your chair because we are going to give you a quiz. Okay. Can you, hello Reza, how are you? Can you introduce
Thanks.
yourself?
My
What
name
is
is
your
Reza.
Reza Qasemi.
Yes, and
What is your job?
I'm a
in the
mechanical
past?
engineer.
How many years experience do you have?
Around 9 years.
9 years experience.
Yes, I start working
Iran.
from. Yes,
And then how many years experience do you have in this trade job you have to install the cell shapes?
1 year and 8 months.
Okay. How did you find this training?
Yeah, it's so useful. And I learn how to work with TurboCAD
Do you
2000.
like to continue learning
Yes,
for
exactly.
AutoCAD by yourself?
Yes,
How
yeah.
did you find the webinars that are
There's
produced
there's
for you
the
from
links that
YouTube?
you put on your website.
Even
They are so useful, and they direct us to the correct links.
yeah, because I have done 6 days work
Yes,
to get those ones and sort them out.
yes, right.
And then what has been your learning? What can you do now that before you couldn't?
Yeah, I
How
can.
many years ago did you learn CAD the last time?
It was in 2004.
2004 to
I
now
learned-
is
I-
12 years.
yes,
So 12
exactly.
years you haven't touched CAD.
Yeah, but I worked with other
But did you find it
softwares.
easier with TurboCAD?
Yes, yeah, it is so good. Yeah.
Okay. So can you please teach how do we draw a prism?
Yes, sure.
Can you please draw a prism?
Yes. First, I use polyline.
Okay.
First of
polyline.
all, it's a
How
little
did you
bit.
get the polyline?
First
You
of all,
have to
it's
go to the draw.
it's a little bit tricky, so I have to draw a box to choose different. For drawing a prism, I have to use different work planes.
Okay. How do you start?
So I'm gonna start with the box.
Okay. Box. and
Just
then
use it as as an aid.
Yeah, okay.
So
You have to choose your dimensions here
uh,
on the inspector bar.
it doesn't matter. I just use the height. So the only thing that I'm gonna use is
Height.
yes. If I want to have the prism by height
So
of
height, you choose the height.
100,
Height is 50.
height is 50.
Okay. The height,
No,
the height cannot be 0.
it's 50.
Okay. Millimeter.
Yes.
No, you did 0 millimeter.
No, it's 50.
No, this is and you didn't lock it.
So
Let
me see.
You have
Let
to
me.
inspect a bar, right? 50.
No, this is the one. It's
No,
50.
no, no. Hi. Then
I'm
you
just
separate.
yes, yeah. I just use it as I just use this box.
No,
box
no. Can you
as an
delete it again? Just go to edit. Okay. Can you go and choose the box again,
here.
and then click the by height 50? No, not on millimeter. 50.
Yes,
Millimeter
50.
has to be there.
Yeah,
And millimeter space millimeter. Okay. Then lock
and
it.
look at.
And these two, you say you don't need to put all the dimensions.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Draw your box.
So
That's one. Or it should give it to you. What does the status bar say? Specify. Okay. This is your
doesn't matter.
box.
Yes. So I'm it's an aid. I use it to choose different work planes.
Okay. Now bring it in the middle. Can you bring it?
Yes,
Hold it. No.
here.
You hold the shift and control
Control shift.
together
Yeah.
and bring it in the middle.
Yes, here.
Okay. Go to the southeast.
Here.
Southeast isometric view.
Yes.
Okay. Make it smaller and go. To start working. What is
Uh,
it? What do you want to do?
So now I want to draw the base of the prism.
Okay.
So for that one I use polyline
Polygon.
or
Choose
polygon.
the polygon.
I use the polygon.
Which page do you want to draw? You have to be on these ones. So which plane do you want to use? Top?
It
right,
doesn't. And now the work plane is here down
Which
here.
one?
So
the
whenever
bottom?
yes,
Okay,
yeah,
go
yeah.
and click on this one.
It doesn't matter.
No, you have to choose the plane.
So
Here,
it's
no,
it's
here,
no. It's
here.
now if I draw
No,
something.
no. You can't just choose anyone. Just click it in here. Work plane.
Here you are.
Okay. Make it smaller. Okay. What do you do now?
So I want to use polygon.
Polygon. Okay, choose the polygon and then.
I can
what
here
does the status
with
bar
the
say? No,
with
what
the
does the status bar
with the
say?
inspector
No, wait.
define the center point of the polygon.
Define the center point.
So I can, if I want to put it on 0, 0, 0, I can use tab. Here it's gonna be
0,
0.
and then you have to lock it.
No, that's fine.
No, you have to lock it. Put a tick on it
So
Tick.
here, yeah.
and tick. Then
Then sides. How
Side.
many sides do you want to have?
polygon
6.
6.
It's 6. So
Lock it. Everything you choose.
it's
Sides,
no. It's just
Six.
yeah.
angle.
Angle is
you
gonna
don't
be,
need to write.
yes.
Side
Radius.
length only you need to write. Side length. Side length make it 10. 10.
10. Look at.
Now, and you have to have a space between millimeter and 10. And then lock it. And so it is 6
6
sides
sides.
and 10,
And 10
side length.
Yes.
And then what do?
Then
You clicked it.
yes.
It's drawn it, but it's not on that plane.
So it's yes, it is.
No, it is outside this plane that you draw.
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Doesn't
then,
matter. Now
So you didn't need really that box.
yes. No, I didn't need it.
Okay, delete it.
So no, for the second one I need to
okay.
choose, yeah, for this one.
Okay,
For
what do
then
you
I use the where is the toolbar?
what do you need?
I need to change the work plane.
Change the work plane is here.
One of
And-
these.
No, wait. Apparently it's changing the work.
It's I can use the work plane by facet.
You want to change the work plane?
Yeah. Work plane by facet.
You want to go by work plane by facet?
Yes,
It's not found here.
it's here.
Here, okay, click on that. So work plane by facet.
Now
So
I
where do
can
you
use.
put it?
I will use this one here.
So where do you put it?
I don't know why this
Here,
doesn't
put
work.
it on top. You want to put it on the top? Here.
It doesn't choose it. Doesn't.
Here, you bring it here. Put it on this corner.
Yes.
Maybe your snaps are not good. Did you make your snaps better? No, it's not to stick there.
No.
Okay, move it again.
Now I can draw it. It doesn't.
No,
there is no.
wait. Use this. Use this work plane. Work
Yes.
plane.
Yes.
So bring it and see how does it look like. It is here.
Is it?
It's not on the correct side. So go back here, redo it, undo it. Okay, don't go further. Okay. So this is more than what you need. Untick it, delete it. No. Choose it. This is select. Draw a window around it.
Select.
Select window around it. Wait.
I think we should close it and open it again.
No.
Because it didn't draw the
No, you didn't.
polygon. It didn't even draw the polygon.
Yes, just wait. We go edit, clear. You can't even clear. What is happening here? That's it. Close. Save changes? No. So we go File, Open.
3D.
and
3D template.
no, 2D. Still in 2D. And then you go to this draw.
Yeah.
You do whatever I say. Go to draw,
Draw.
3D object,
Yes.
choose, no, 3D primitive. And then there is the prism.
It's here.
No, not there.
There is nothing there. There is no prism there.
No prism. Okay, don't use that because we are only focusing on 3D. Use the polygonal prism.
Yes.
Click on that. Okay. Use the status bar. What does it say? 6?
Yes, it has
Okay.
one side.
Side is 10. Don't delete the millimeter. Just put 1.
10.
Lock it. That's
Yes.
enough.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you read this. If necessary, choose
Option.
options. Set a point.
For
the
center of the
center of-
object base.
No. Just put anywhere.
Anyway. Yeah.
And
Yes.
this is it.
Yeah.
Make it bigger.
It's set here.
No, you can make this bigger. No, zoom it. Okay. Just wait. I hold the mouse.
Yes.
Hold these two. Bring it in the middle.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now.
Now enter.
No, wait. It has to show isometric view.
Yeah. It's in X and Y. X and Y.
It's not the prism yet.
Not yet.
So, okay, what does it say? Define the object height by clicking or typing in the height field.
Yes.
Height field. Write down the height, make it 50, and then lock it. You have to lock everything you type,
Yes.
or you don't type. Okay,
Enter.
enter. Okay, listen. Can you rotate it? Hold it, rotate it. Can you pan it? Means shift it from this side to left to right to left. Using these two keys. Hold it. Is it good?
Yes.
Good experience?
Yes. Awesome.
Okay, so you don't need to change a plane or anything
Oh,
because
okay.
the three primitive, you just go to draw,
Yeah.
3D object,
Yes.
and then you go to 3D primitive. No, you went to 3D profile base.
Yeah.
That is fine.
Okay. All right.
And then
I didn't use the
just
polygonal
one
prism.
tick and
Yeah.
choosing these ones and lock